Okay guys, welcome to the personal property tour for 33 4th Street in St Monans. This is an amazing 4-bedroom end terrace townhouse, huge and spacious inside. Wait till you see the views from the upper floor. Absolutely outstanding. The courtyard at the back sits in the sun towards the evening and afternoon, perfect for sunbathing. It's got to the point where actually the current owner says sometimes it gets that too hot. And I'm standing in the garden just across the road, which is an elevated garden, which is ideal as well. Perfect place for sitting in the sun, as well as the front of the house as well. Let me show you the garden and flip the camera around. So this is the garden itself that we're sitting in. As you see, the sun is out, it is beating down. Now this is the bit, it probably sits in, this garden sits in the sun all day long. And we're elevated as well. This is the house here, as you can see on the 3 floors end terraced. Wait till we get up there. Hang on tight for this one. This is fantastic. We'll talk about where everything is in location to this when we get further through the video. Let me pop down the stairs and we'll get across the road. In here. And then up to the front garden. Now this is perfect because it sits in the sun all the time as well at the front. Towards the afternoon it'll go into the back. But you could just be sitting in here. I could just imagine myself sitting in here. This is round about 12 o'clock right now, so this is south, right here. So sitting in the sun. This is a wee sun trap. Absolutely beautiful. You can see next door's actually got a table and chairs there as well. That just shows you straight away. So as we come in the front door, we'll show you the lower accommodation. Go out the back and then we'll work our way up to the top. So hang on tight. Across to my right hand side here as we go in. Dining kitchen, so good sized dining kitchen area. You've got your condenser system boiler on the back of the wall. And you've got your place for your dining table and chairs. And then you come across into your living room downstairs. Now you could open this up if you want to, if you want a big massive dining kitchen sitting room. This seems to be the norm nowadays in some of the modern houses, to open it all the way up and have this huge living space and entertainment space for entertaining friends and family. And we're going to pop back up out the front, or out the back, sorry. So as we go out, before we go upstairs, cupboard for storage, but it also has the washing machine and plumbed in there. Out the back here, got this cracking outbuilding. And here, see how this is obviously, this is very, very private, literally overlooking you. And because of these high walls, it keeps you sheltered from the elements. So when the sun beats down on here, it beats down. And you can see that, but you can see the flowers starting to come out now with the immense heat that's in here now. Now, this is the old wash house. Actually, let's pop in and I'll show you this one. So this is power and light in here. The old wash house. You've even got the Belfast sinks here, and then you've got the light. You've got it properly done. So it's a real good size. Could maybe accommodate use of something else. And you've also got another storage shed to the side here. Probably used to be the old coal cellar actually. And I'll let you have a wee look at this from a different angle. I'll let you look at the rear of the property. It's massive. Look at that beautiful stonework. Now you can see how that's all pointed properly. That's what I like about it. Well maintained. That's what I love about this property. Looked after. So let's pop upstairs. Here. So as we pop upstairs, first thing I see straight in front of me is the bathroom. Nice and cosy in here. There must be a lot of sunlight that comes in that window and heats this place up. So, shower over bath. Like that engineered timber flooring and the chrome radiator. Then across to my other side here, got one of the first bedrooms. Now there, currently got this as another sitting room area. Easily be a double bedroom. You can see the sun teeming in through that window. Next double bedroom. The great thing about that one and this one, they've got the shutters on the windows. You can see that there. real good size. And pop up to the final floor up the top. As we come up now, there's an access hatch for storage up there. Maybe get Christmas tree and decorations up there. Maybe a bit early to mention Christmas. And then your next big double bedroom. Utilised as an office area as well, actually. Huge amount of space. And then the final main bedroom upstairs, which I love. This is a real feature of this room. There's that bay window over to the front. And that'll probably give you a clue with that seat sitting there, right there, as to why that's there, because these views are absolutely breathtaking. Look at that. Bass Rock right in front of us. That's what I see. Berwick Law just at the back of it. And then as you go over, come over to this area, you can see Edinburgh, Arthur's Seat, away across there. It's down at the Harbour there, by the way. And then I love this one. Look, the May Isle. There's something, I don't know what it is, idyllic about this, the May Isle. Every single day it just looks differently based on how the sun hits it. So where are we in relation to everything? Well, right along that road, which is Miller Terrace at the end of there, you just go down the hill and you can actually get access to the open water tidal pool for open water swimming, if that's your thing. You can actually just pop along Rose Street there, which is the Fife Coastal Path, and get access to that way as well. You could literally just see the harbour there. That's where the harbour is. And then you can get along to the beach along there as well. Now, back along here, you can walk along the coastal path towards Pitt and Weeman onto Anstruther. You can also walk back along there for about 3 miles. You can walk right along there to Ely, which is beautiful as well. So you've got the best of everything sitting in this location. There's your garden across the road that we spoke about before when we started. And just these breathtaking panoramic views are unbelievable. The East Pier Smokehouse is down there as well. If your seafood's your thing, you've got Craig Miller Restaurant, is absolutely a really top quality restaurant, top notch. Giddy Gannet's round the corner for cafe and cakes and coffee and stuff like that. Up the road you've got the hairdressers, you've also got the local convenience shop, you've got the East Neuk Salt Company at the Bass Rock Business Park, and the Muffin Man as well for his cafe up there as well. It's really an idyllic lifestyle, what you would have here. You could see that with everything I've just explained. So just recap. 4-bedroom townhouse in Terraced, sits in the sun all day long at the various parts of this, from the front to the back of the garden and the courtyard area as well. You've got that dining kitchen downstairs off into the living room as well. You've got the 2 bedrooms, bathroom on this, the first floor, and then the second floor as well. You've got the 2 bedrooms as well, with these beautiful views out the front and right across towards Berwick Law and Edinburgh. What more could you ask for? Welcome to God's country. For anybody that doesn't know this area, you don't know what you're missing. Beautiful, absolutely idyllic. Okay, you can see more details on this on the photographs and descriptions if you click on the link above or below. You can contact us on 01333 421 774, or you can message us direct on this post as well for further details. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.